In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Hostinger. Whether you're launching a business, sharing a personal project, or building a professional online presence, hosting your site on a reliable platform like Hostinger makes the entire process simple and efficient. With just a few clear steps, you'll be able to take your ideas from concept to a fully functioning website. Let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Hostinger website. Hostinger offers a clean, user-friendly interface that makes navigation incredibly easy, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer. This is your gateway to building the website you've envisioned. Once you arrive on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by signing up. It only takes a moment. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to your Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. This dashboard is designed to give you total control over your hosting environment. It's neat, organized, and intuitive, making it easy to learn even if you're completely new to website management. Spend a moment browsing the layout so you understand where everything is. This will help you tremendously as you continue to grow your website. Next, head into the Marketplace section within the H panel. This is your central location for all the tools, services, and hosting features Hostinger provides. You'll find add-ons, upgrades, and helpful tools that can elevate your website as it grows. In the Marketplace, click on the Web Hosting category. This section displays all the hosting plans available to you, each tailored to suit different types of users, from hobby creators to large-scale businesses. To explore the hosting plans in detail, click the Explore button. This is where you'll see what each plan includes, such as performance features, storage limits, bandwidth levels, and the number of websites allowed. Reading through each plan's description will help you decide which one is the best match for your needs. Whether you're running a small portfolio, a blog, an online store, or a multi-page company website, Hostinger has plans suited for every level. Once you feel confident about what your website requires, select the hosting plan that fits your goals. Make sure to consider important factors like the storage capacity you'll need, traffic expectations, security features, and long-term scalability. Choosing the right plan ensures your website performs smoothly, loads quickly, and remains stable as your audience grows. This step is the core foundation of hosting, so take your time and pick the plan that supports your future expansion. And that's it. You now have the essential steps to host your website on Hostinger. With your hosting set up, you're ready to start building, designing, and launching your online presence. Remember, good hosting plays a major role in your website's success, and Hostinger's support team is always available if you need extra help along the way.